been waiting here. Why? I heard him. No, he won't.
Emma, we might not get ice cream tonight.
Well, he won't even be back.
He'll come back another time.
No, he won't.
We could get ice cream at the store when Dad comes home.
Nah. I just want ice cream now.
Should we go get in the bath?
Well, first, the ice cream man is not vanilla ice cream. He never stops to turn on. He never stops to turn off his music, and he never runs out of ice cream. He never stops to turn off his music, and he comes, and he doesn't even. Well. There is a lot of questions about ice cream man, and ice cream man don't